Hey, hey, hey. Welcome to Snowman 101, where I chill, teach you how to make the perfect snowman without looking like you got caught in a Pinterest fail compilation.
And I am Articus Frostington, your resident snow scholar, here to ensure all frosty creations meet the highest standards of snowy sophistication.
Man, we're making snowmen, not auditioning for a snow art gallery. But okay, Sir Frosty. First rule of snowman building, not all snow is equal. See this? Flaky, messy, and completely useless. Just like your former best friend who ditched you for someone else's birthday party.
Ah yes, this is non-packable snow. Its low moisture content renders it structurally unstable, like attempting to construct Buckingham Palace out of cotton candy.
Translation, it's the wrong kind of snow. What you need is the good stuff. Snow that sticks together like your nan and her teapot.
Ah, now behold this prime example of packable snow, moist, dense, and malleable. It is, dare I say, the crown jewel of winter precipitation.
All right, Shakespeare, let's keep it simple. If the snow feels like it wants to give you a frosty fist bump, you got the right stuff. Now it's time to roll. Start small, then roll it around until it's bigger than your little brother's ego after he beats you in Mario Kart.
Quite right. Each section must adhere to proper proportions. A broad base for stability, a medium torso for balance, and a smaller head for aesthetic harmony.
Bro, we're not building Big Ben. Just roll it, stack it, and make sure it doesn't topple over like Jenga.
Ah, I see. Your snowman appears to be leaning, shall we say, artistically.
Yeah, he's got personality. Boom. Now for the finishing touches. Arms, eyes, and this ultra-stylish saucepan hat.
Ah yes, the saucepan, a bold choice. Quirky yet functional. Jolly good.
Exactly. Now let's talk about that song. You know, the one with those two sisters singing about wanting to build a snowman.
Ah, a charming little ditty. Though their snowman construction was, shall we say, rudimentary at best.
Right. Singing about it isn't going to fix bad snow. Also, maybe if they used packable snow, their snowman wouldn't have ended up looking like he needed therapy.
Olaf? A delightful fellow, though not the pinnacle of snowman engineering.
Yeah, delightful if you're into emotionally unstable snowmen. And that's how it's done. Remember, packable snow or no-go.
Indeed, and should anyone desire further enlightenment, I have authored a brilliant guide titled Snow and Order, The Art of Frosty Perfection.
Man, nobody's reading a guide in the middle of winter. Just roll, stack, and don't let your snowman look like it belongs in a disaster movie.
Fair point. But do dress warmly. Frostbite is frightfully unpleasant.
Dude, we're made of snow. We are frostbite. All right, hit that like button if you're feeling frosty and subscribe for more snowy shenanigans. Stay chill, y'all.
And may your snow always be packable.